I'm talking to Ben Boyles. Ben is an agribusiness agent with Clemson, and he's based in York County. Ben, you're getting ready to have one of your many now years of ag and art tours. Tell us what led to that.
Sure, yes. So thank you for having me today. Glad to be here. The Ag and Art Tour is a free self-guided tour of farms. That's the ag component, farms and farmers markets, with artisans at every stop. You go online to agandarttour.com, plan your tour, and you go out and visit, and you can visit the farms and see how they produce their products. All the while, artisans are there doing demonstrations and selling their products as well. So it's a great venue to connect producers and consumers.
And this kind of mimics things that are already in use that people enjoy, like farmers markets or a stand in front of a farm.
Exactly. For us, it's basically a farmers market tour out into the community. So when you go to a farmers market, you see farmers, of course, but you also see people as artisans selling their products, handmade goods. So this is kind of the farmers market concept out in the community.
But this actually takes you on a producing farm.
It does.
That's another concept.
Yes. So this year we'll have 92 farms on the tour. We're very excited. We'll be in 10 counties every weekend in June. There'll be different counties participating every weekend. And the diversity of farms is incredible. We have the small backyard homestead that are families raising their products for their own consumption.
Oh my goodness.
To a larger dairy or produce fields. And it's just a great diversity of South Carolina farms on the tour.
And Agri Tourism has been promoted by the South Carolina Department of Agriculture.
Yes.
And some farmers are very successful with that.
Right. We have some great agritourism farms in South Carolina. But we also have farms that have never done agritourism before. That's the really great part about this tour. It's a way for these farms that have never brought people onto the farm before to kind of kick open the gate and let visitors come in and kind of test the waters to see if this might be a business strategy for their farm. And we've had so many farms that have, like I said, never brought people on before. They're now doing it all the time. So it's a great economic development tool and really a laboratory for our farms to kind of develop this side of their business. Some of our sites will have live music, so you can listen to that while you wander through the farm. Live painting demonstrations, pottery. It's really A to Z from the artisan side.
And from your standpoint, are y'all able to collect information that might help y'all do this better in the future?
Yes, for sure. It's a great research opportunity for us because what we're learning, we've touched over 35,000 people since this began. And we have so much data that we can use to help our farmers make better business decisions. Like, who is an agritourist? Where are they coming from? What are they buying? So they can make better informed business decisions.
So they're not just having to try everything at once. You can streamline before say, let's go this way. This is going to be your best avenue.
Exactly right. And they can plan their future according to that.
And children are allowed?
Children are welcomed, yes. A lot of our sites have very interactive activities for kids, from hay rides to petting zoos.
Oh, how fun.
You can really touch and taste and everything on these farms, which is fun.
Now tell us again where we go to find the information about this.
Yes, so we have a website, agandarttour.com. And when you go to that website, there's a state map on the homepage, and you can click on the county. And when you click on those counties, you'll see all of our farm sites listed, and all the artisans and all the activities that are happening. So you can just use that to plan your tour. And it's self-guided. You start anywhere, and you can stop anywhere.
Okay.
And just have a great day touring South Carolina.
I guess you can take a picnic if you want to.
Yes, you could take a picnic and just make a day of it.
And is there water or things available at some of these places?
Yes. So at your first stop, you'll get a printed guide.
Yes.
And that printed guide will kind of lay out more detail of what's going on at each site. It will also let you know if there are kid-friendly activities at a site, if you can buy food or drink. Some of our sites will have food trucks on site. Yes, so it's I call it 92 mini festivals happening all at once across the state of South Carolina. So there's really something for everyone.
Well, I am crossing my fingers for beautiful weather.
I know.
Me as well. Thanking you and the new farmers and the people who are supporting them.
Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you on the tour.
Okay.